All right. I think I'm recording. Yes, I am. Awesome. Hey, this is just a quick tutorial on how to put um, put an affiliate link or something into your WordPress so it kind of forwards with masking. I've been asked a couple times how to do that, so I figured that I would do a quick video on this. So with this, you just go into your WordPress login. So this is my WordPress login, and I would just log into that, and then from there, should come to your dashboard, and it should look like this or some rendition of this. The colors may be different. I changed my color scheme, so instead of um, instead of this gray stuff, you might have blue. It's really, it depends on your preferences. So from here, you just go to pages and you would add new. And depending on what you're forwarding, you would name the new page that type of thing. So if it was like a web class or like a Facebook group, with Facebook it's a little bit different, but with this I'll just show you normal how to do this. So for this specific thing, you would need a plugin called Content Mask on here. So in order to find that, maybe I should have done this first. Maybe in order to find that, you go to plugins and add new, and then you would search it under in here. You would go content mask. Hey, I have it on there already. Content mask. Search. And here it is pretty much at the beginning. That's the best one that I found to use. So I installed that and you install it, then you activate it, and then it will show up under on the bottom here under all of your plugin list. So now we can go to the pages and add new. And from there, it should be on that page. It might be, it might look like this at the very, very bottom. You just have to click on this little arrow to expand it. So from here, say you wanted to add like the affiliate playbook from an AI back office, your special coded link from the back office of Affiliate Institute, you would just pull it from there and you'd add it in here. So you put AI playbook or affiliate playbook or just playbook, whatever you want. And this title is what will show up when you send people your link. So then in order to get the URL from here, you would go into your back office or wherever you want to find your link, whether it's your AI back office or if you're an affiliate for Aweber or you're an affiliate for anything and they give you a coded affiliate link, that is where you go find that and then you would put it in there. So I'm going to show you how I found it from here. So in Affiliate Center, go to affiliate links. And I want my affiliate playbook link is right here. And I would hit copy and then go over to the tab with my WordPress already ready to go and paste. So that was right click, copy, right click, paste, Control C, Control V, however you copy and paste. Make sure this little check mark is checked and you choose a method for the content masking so that your link still shows up at the very top of the URL. Use iframe. For Facebook specific links, like if you were to link up a Facebook page or a group or something like that, you would need to use redirect. For some reason, iframe doesn't work with Facebook specific like groups or pages or profiles. So use iframe for this. and you would just hit save draft. So, and you over on here on the right, it says URL slug. So that is what appears after your website slash whatever is your slug, that end. So then I would just put Playbook. I wouldn't even use AI Playbook. I just put Playbook. And then you'd click save. I already have a Playbook link, so that's why I would not click save on here. But you would click save and then it would go there. So then you could preview. And that is the link to my affiliate Playbook. The reason why this isn't what you want it to be is, or it doesn't have the slug on the end, is because it's a preview. It's not the actual page. But since I don't want to save it like this with this slug, it'll be different. But I can go ahead and under pages, and I'll show you my Playbook view. See on the top there, the URL, it says pamreby.com/playbook. It doesn't say affiliateplaybook2.com, blah, 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 with my affiliate link. So that is how you do that. And then again, with Facebook, use the redirect and not the iframe, because the iframe won't work. You go to preview it, you'll get the little smiley face or something that it errored. Definitely use the redirect for Facebook stuff. So for an example, this one says join my new Facebook group. When I click it, you at first, oh no, you don't even see it, but I use pamreby.com and then I use FYOF because that's the name of my Facebook group. And then it just redirects here. So, but you can still see the URL facebook.com/groups, whatever. So you cannot I haven't found a way to do it with Facebook where you can maintain your URL with your slug on top, like the content masking. But it's just Facebook, and Facebook doesn't care if you use Facebook content inside like Facebook ads. So I'm not too worried about that. It's when you are redirecting to a landing page or an ebook or something like that is where you need to have the content masking. So I hope that clears things up. And if you have any questions, let me know.